Hello, Namaskar, welcome back to my channel. So today we will learn different types of arm waves. Basically these are the basic arm waves. Though we are learning step by step, so we will go for the easier ones first. So let's not waste time and start the tutorial. Let's start with some basic shoulder and arm exercises. Raise your hands straight and rotate it from your shoulders. Be careful to keep your hands at the same level. And reverse. Increase your speed and repeat the same. Reverse. Number 2. Lift your shoulders up and down. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and repeat. Number 3. Rotate from your shoulder portion. Just rotate your shoulder, not your hands. Loosen your hands and let the movement flow with the shoulders. You can notice I am only rotating my shoulders. And reverse. Now let's start with the arm waves type 1. Wave your hand from up to down to center. Up, down and center. Let's do with the other hand. Increase your speed and repeat it. Let's try doing the same thing with both the hands. 1, 2, 3, 4 and keep on doing. Let's do the same thing sideways. Raise your hands straight and 1. See the movement of the hand down to center. Let's try with the other hand. Try increasing your speed and do the same. Try repeating the movements 5 to 10 times at the beginning and gradually increase the repetition. Let's do the same movement with both the hands. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and repeat. Arm wave type 2. Raise your hand up and down. Notice the movements of each part of the hand. When you're raising your hand up, keep your fingers down and elbow straight. And when you're bringing it down, keep your fingers up and elbow straight. Note, straighten your hands. Don't make your hands stiff. There will be slight elbow bend. During the learning process, make your hands straight and when you are done with the process, you can bend a little from the elbow. Let's do the wave from the front side. Repeat the same process, but remember to loosen your hand and keep your hands straight at the beginning. To avoid some muscular or joint irregular pains, keep your hands straight at the beginning and you can see there is a slight elbow bend. Practice it to get the flawless movement. Arm wave type 3. So this movement we have to start from the shoulder, then elbow, then wrist and then fingers. Lift your shoulders up and then elbow. Remember to keep your elbow at the 90 degrees at the shoulder level, wrist and then roll your fingers out. Let's do with the other hand. Shoulder, elbow, wrist and fingers. Let's try the reverse process. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back 2, 3, 4. Repeat the same process with the other hand and maintain the shoulder level for all the parts. Let's do it little faster. So that's all for today. I hope you like my videos. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe by clicking the red button below for more upcoming videos. Do like, share and do not forget to mention your views in the comment section. Till then, stay tuned. Stay safe and take care.